Do you want to earn extra money by playing games on your phone? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we will show you how Cash App games work, how people earn rewards, and the best ways to maximize your earnings. But first, it's important to understand that Cash App itself doesn't have built-in games that pay money. Instead, people use reward apps in gaming platforms that allow them to earn cash rewards, gift cards, or PayPal payouts, which can be then transferred to their Cash App account. These apps reward users for completing gaming challenges, reaching specific levels, watching ads, or participating in tournaments. Now, one of the options that you can look into is InboxDollars. It is a rewards website and mobile app that pays users for completing simple online activities such as surveys, playing games, reading emails, shopping online, testing apps, and redeeming offers. Now, all I have to do is simple. Okay, you need to create an account here. You see, there is a sign up button. You can continue creating an account using your Google, your Apple, or your email address. And then you can also download it on Google Play. All you have to do is complete the available tasks such as paid surveys, playing mobile games, reading promotional emails, cashback shopping, trying apps and services, and uploading receipts for purchases. What will happen is you will earn cash rewards in your account. You can redeem your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, or other reward options once you reach the minimum payout threshold. And then, once you earn your money, you can redeem your earnings to PayPal where available. And then you can transfer the funds from PayPal to your linked bank account. And of course, you can use the same bank account with Cash App to access the money. It's super simple. And then you can also try the Skills platform. It is a mobile gaming arena where players compete against other players in skill-based games for cash prizes or virtual rewards. As you can see, all I have to do is click on the play games. There's a lot of games here, included bingo, solitaire, bowling, dominoes, trivia, and other casual mobile games. So all I have to do is download a skills-powered game. Let's say, for example, you wanted to try the Blackout Bingo. Create an account, play the free practice matches to improve your skills, deposit money if you want to enter cash tournaments, win matches to earn cash prizes, and withdraw your earnings through supported payments. Remember, players withdraw winnings through supported methods such as PayPal, bank accounts, or card-linked payment options. If you receive your winnings in a bank account or PayPal, you can transfer that money to Cash App separately if your accounts are linked. So there's basically popular games like Domino's Gold, which I play a lot, Strike, Solitaire, 21 Blitz, and a lot more. And then you might want to try the Mistplay is a rewards app that pays users for playing mobile games. Now, instead of paying cash directly, it will give you points called units that you can exchange for gift cards like PayPal, Visa, Amazon, Google Play, and other rewards depending on your country. Now, creating an account here is super simple, alright? Download Mistplay on Android and then create an account. Install the game through the Mistplay app. All I have to do once you have installed is that you need to play those games and earn GXP or Game Experience points, units, or reward points. Now, you can redeem units for gift cards or other rewards once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Remember, Mistplay does not directly send money to Cash App. But what you can do, similar to other option, is that if you receive the PayPal funds, you'll be able to transfer them to your bank account and then add the money to your Cash App. Of course, availability depends on your region and the rewards currently offered in Mistplay. While this is not a full-time income source, Mistplay is legit. I've been using this for quite some time and I earn around $5 to $20 per month casually. It's a passive income, while more active users can sometimes earn more through bonuses and promotions. And then, Rewarded Play is a mobile app that rewards users with points for playing games, completing in-game goals, watching ads, and trying new apps. Those points can usually be redeemed for gift cards like retailers within Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. The app has reached more than 10 million downloads on Android. So all I have to do, speaking of Android, you need to download this on the Google Play Store. And then you need to choose the games from the available offers. You can earn points by playing the games, reaching certain levels, completing missions, and of course, watching the rewarded ads. Now, you can redeem the points for gift cards once you reach the minimum payout threshold. And if your goal is to get money into Cash App, you generally have two options. You can use the apps that offer PayPal Cash Apps, then transfer the funds from PayPal to your bank and eventually to Cash App if supported in your region. You can redeem gift cards and use them for purchases instead of cash. Alright? And then you might want to look into the Bubble Cash, which is a mobile bubble shooter game where players complete in-skill based tournaments for cash prizes. And the game is similar to other apps that we have shown you, where players clear bubble boards as quickly as possible and compete against each other who receive the same board layout. So all I have to do is download the app and create an account. You just have to play the free games to participate and earn the in-game rewards. Because once you join the tournaments, you will get some bonus cash or gems, and paid tournaments requires an entry fee. Remember, if you rank high enough, you can win part of the prize pool. Winnings can usually be withdrawn through services like PayPal, depending on your region and eligibility. Now, what you can do is, when you receive the payouts from tournament winnings, transfer it to PayPal, and then of course, Cash App is a payment app that lets users send, receive, and store money. Some gaming reward apps allows users to transfer the earnings to Cash App indirectly through the linked bank accounts or debit cards. Of course, you can download this on your Android, and once you've done that, you'd be able to start free tournament before depositing money. And with that being said, Cash App games can be a fun way to earn extra cash from your smartphone, but success depends on choosing legitimate apps, improving your skills, and managing your expectations. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.